Hi guys, this is Toby. This is Steam Tram Production 7 back again. And today I'll be showing the Thomas and Friends Take and Play Elizabeth. Brand new in box. You heard me? Brand new in box. So this is the first time I've had a Take and Play Elizabeth. So it says works with Thomas Take and Play and Take Along sets. I like Take Along, it's part of my childhood. To those who dislike Take Along, I can totally respect that. And including Rebecca the Sunshine, 1999, she doesn't like Take Along, she only likes Take and Play. So, without further ado, let's open the box. Here's Elizabeth. Here's Elizabeth. Her paintwork's so glossy. Her headlights are painted white, and she's got her zipper, which you move up, and Elizabeth's what, and that's what, and she's, and I know she's got, and her paintwork's so glossy. She has an updated face, and she has an updated face. So I know Rebecca the Sunshine 1999 dislikes Elizabeth because she can get grumpy. However, she helps the engines out. I don't think Lola really likes her because I don't think Rebecca the Sunshine 1999 really likes her because of her because of her being grumpy. And she's one of the 20 models from the model series to not have her toy released in the Take and Play range. However, she didn't appear in the CGI series. And she's one of the characters in season number 6 to have her Take and Play toy released. However, she didn't appear in CGI. So the wheels are really, really new. And she has her name underneath, as well as the cut OT0196. And she's one of the, and she's the, and she's, and she's, and to those who don't know about Elizabeth yet, to some of you who don't know who Elizabeth is yet, she's a vintage Sentinel Lorry that first appeared in season number 6's Elizabeth the Vintage Lorry, and last appeared in the 2008 movie The Great Discovery. And those were the times when the Thomas and Friends TV programme was live action. fully with model animation. Her first and her last talking role was in the episode Toby's Triumph from season number 11. I was going to say Thomas Set Sail, however, I made myself right in the final flan. Her last talking role ever was in season number 11's Toby's Triumph that aired in 2007. And let me get Elizabeth's card out. Here we go. Elizabeth for portable play sets. I think Elizabeth's all right in my opinion. Even though she can be grumpy, she means well and helps the engines out. And she and Isabella share the same bases, which is a Sentinel DG4 steam lorry. That's all I've got to say for now, and this is Steam Jam Reduction 7 signing off.